Dear admission officer, I'm very honored to participate in this presentation. Today, I'm going to give a presentation focused on stock pitch, and the stock I'm going to pitch is SMIC. Okay, the introduction part. Here, I list some basic information about SMIC. My target price is $33.29 Hong Kong dollars, and my recommendation is low. We can take a close look at its price performance compared with Hang Seng Index. We can find that the stock price fluctuated at a low level during the first 9 months and then surged in October and remained relatively stable since then. The executive summary part. SMIC is the leading company in semiconductor manufacturing industry in China. The company focuses on mature process technologies and is gradually developing in advanced process such as 7 nanometers or smaller chips. Although SMIC still lags behind TSMC and Samsung, it has made significant efforts to catch up. Moving on to the investment thesis part, the global semiconductor market size is expected to reach $1,000 billion in 2030, and SMIC has a market share of 6%. Finally, although SMIC has the least research and development expenses and income, however, the research and development expenses accounted for 20% of the income, which is the highest among the three, suggesting that the company's emphasis on innovation. The first part of the valuation, the balance sheet analysis. SMIC has a current ratio of 1.57, indicates sufficient liquidity, though better cash allocation can improve its efficiency. A ROE of 3.5% also suggests that it has rooms to improve its profitability. Similarly, a ROA of 1.5% also indicates that it has rooms to make better use of its assets. The debt-to-equity ratio of 0.33 also implies that the company's cautious approach to leveraging. The second part of the valuation, SMIC and its public comparables. SMIC has a P/E ratio of 54.7 times, which is the highest among that of its competitors, indicating a strong market confidence in its future growth. In contrast, it only has a P/B ratio of 1.45 times, which is the lowest, indicating that the market has a conservative valuation of its assets. Finally, the EV to EBITDA is 56.23 times, which is also competitive within the sector. The third part of the valuation, my SMIC target price of 33.29 Hong Kong dollars is obtained through two different ways by assigning equal weight to each. EV to sales 6.12 times and DCF a 5-year model. You can take a close look at that. Okay, the catalyst part. SMIC's growth is fueled by 3 key drivers. The policy support can boost domestic production, and increased research and development investments can push further advancements of technology. Moreover, the rising demand in AI and 5G can contribute to the expansion of the market. Let's shift to the risk part. Based on the risk radar and risk heat map, we can find that the geopolitical risks matters a lot to SMIC because of export control and trade restrictions. Supply chain and technological risks follow because of dependencies on import. Market and financial risks have lower probabilities, but they still count a lot because of problems in optimizing resources. We shall conclude that SMIC demonstrates strong growth potential because of government support and growing applications of AI. Moreover, SMIC also proactively manages risks through localized supply chains, diversified customer base, and investments in compliance. In the future, SMIC is about to close the technology gap with global leaders, capitalize in emerging markets, and sustain value creation for stakeholders. My presentation is over. Thank you.